Hello guys, today you will see many different dream books and how a cat wrecked them. And so now we will see one Sonic is SonicRobot. Oh, and here we have found the red Sonic. Now let's see the cat's reaction to the red Sonic.
Я поймаю ежа для вас, но это будет непросто.
Wow, so we found a new Sonic, whose name is Tails. Now let's look at the reaction of the cat to him.
Первый эксперимент по ускорению Соника. Рогатка. Все готовы?
So now we will see the reaction of the cat to the most ordinary blue Sonic. So on the count of three we brought him to the cat. 1, 2, 3.
Не знаю.
Oh, so we found a new character like Dr. Eggman. Now let's look at the cat's reaction to the main villain.
Из игрушки полны зла, как знать приятно.
And so we found the beauty pink Sonic. Her name is Emily Rose. Now let's see the cat's reaction to the main beauty in cartoons about Sonic.
Готовы? Готовы!
Готов.
Finally, we have collected a complete collection of Sonic. Look at her from above.